That's too much time. Stop it, lass. I just stop it, like.
I don't know, mate. Best go in the toilet, mate. That's the best way. Aye.
So how does that begin?
I'll just...
I just press down the stuff.